It is time to try another Japanese soda. See if this one is any good. They are a pain to open this bottle. Let's see if this one's any good. Japanese soda, why does it have to have a marble? I don't know, I'm losing my marbles. There's many warnings on this Japanese soda. It is imported through Wismatic Asian Foods Incorporated in Santa Fe Springs, California. Let's see if this one's any good. Yes, we have this. It's another brand. I got sent several different Japanese sodas. I'll try them all eventually. But this one is Shirakiku. Shirakiku. Ramune. That must mean soda in Japan. Because they always say the Ramune on here. So Ramune, carbonated Ramune drink. This is blueberry. And it says warning on here. Do not swallow the plunger. Throw it away immediately after opening. Adults should open the bottle for small children and supervised drinking. Do not freeze the bottle or store in direct sunlight. Do not feed after midnight. Do not consume the marble if broken, missing, or descended before opening. Do not swallow the plunger, throw it away immediately. So, I've actually chewed on the plunger. So I had to throw it away immediately. You know how I have the habit of chewing on things. Alright, so we'll take this bottle and open it and burn, 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 and boom, 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 boom. Of course, the plunger, you have to break out of this thing, which is always the biggest pain. Come on. Let's see if this works. Get a scissor. Try to break it out of here. Here we go. Finally got it. So here we go. Burn, 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 then boom, 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 burn, 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 nan, 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 nan. Why does this have to be so impossible? Come on. Hey, Phenomenal. Why do they have to open the bottles this way? This makes no fucking sense. Just why can't they open bottles normally? Yay! Finally. And this is blueberry, by the way. Blueberry Ramune drink from Shirakiku. Yeah, it's like a regular blueberry soda, but it's just very watered down. Very bland. Very flat. 3.7.